When Cornwell's Platinum Toolbox hit the market and the dust settled, there was still one question. Will there be a cart? The time is now. You've asked, and we've delivered. Behold, the Platinum Cart. It has all the strength and durability of our Platinum Toolbox with some extra bells and whistles attached. Check it out. 30 inches of depth for storage, a closed lid height that matches the Platinum Series roll cabs, roll cage construction, 260-pound capacity drawer slides with our TLC locking mechanism, an extra deep till with an integrated power strip with vertical long storage with enclosed sides, a heavy-duty lid with the capacity to support up to 250 pounds, a 10-inch bottom drawer for bulky items, full-length extruded drawer pulls and corner trim, a polished electronic lock, and finished off with 6x2 spring-loaded casters. Feel like you need a little more? Add an optional shelf on the side for more space. With this tool cart, there is no doubt you are set. Order from your local Cornwell dealer today.